In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add asset types in Xero. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a larger operation, organizing your fixed assets efficiently can make a world of difference. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring everything is as clear and straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll find a tab labeled Accounting. Give it a click, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing before you. From this drop-down, select Accounting Settings. This is where we can begin to tailor asset management to your specific needs. Next, within the Accounting Settings page, you'll need to locate and select Fixed Asset Settings. This section is crucial because it houses all the tools and options related to tracking and organizing your company's valuable assets. Remember, maintaining accurate asset records is not only helpful for your everyday bookkeeping, but also essential during audits and financial reporting. Now that you're in the Fixed Asset Settings section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, Xero has provided a button labeled New Asset Type. Clicking this will allow us to create a new category of assets specific to your business needs. This functionality in Xero is designed to give you the flexibility to specify asset types that align with your operations, whether you're dealing with machinery, office equipment, or any other category necessary for your financial management. Once you've clicked on New Asset Type, a form will appear prompting you to enter details of the asset type. Take your time here. This is where you'll assign a name to the asset type and determine any specific accounting configurations, such as depreciation rates or other relevant settings. Remember, the more precisely you define these details, the more tailored and useful your asset reports will be down the line. Precision here will help in tracking the assets accurately and ensuring that their value is correctly represented in your financial statements. After you've filled out all the required information, do a quick review to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. A new asset type has been successfully added to your Xero setup. Remember, this process can be repeated anytime you need to categorize new types of assets as your business grows and evolves. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to keep your accounting organized and efficient, making your financial management tasks smoother and more effective. That's all for today. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering asset management in Xero. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring and making the most out of your accounting